foot that I think is very helpful is a buttonhole foot. You can use it to make not just a buttonhole, but any type of finished opening on fabric, like for a drawstring, for example. Once you choose your button, you open it like this and put the button in. This will set the size of the hole. It also helps to stabilize your fabric with interfacing, which should go on the wrong side of your fabric. Next, you want to mark where the button will sit on the right side of the fabric. Mark the lowest part of the button and draw a vertical line toward the top at the center. Transfer the spot on the wrong side of your fabric and place the interfacing there. Take it to your iron and press sticky side down. Once you mark your fabric, it's time to attach the presser foot using the metal bar, just like a regular presser foot. The button should be facing back. Once your presser foot is in place, drop down the buttonhole lever and place it behind the front stopper or between the two stoppers. Once your presser foot is attached, it's time to select the type of buttonhole you want to make. I've made my selection and now it's time to make the hole. The most important thing is to line up the horizontal mark you made with the red mark on your presser foot and center your vertical line. Now you can start sewing. You don't need to guide the fabric. Let the machine do its thing. When it's finished sewing, it will stop. Don't forget to do a test on scrap fabric because it is hard to remove these stitches if you make a mistake. There's one last step, and that is to open the hole. But first, you need to place a pin at the end so you don't cut too far. You can use a seam ripper or small scissors to make the opening. Now that we have our buttonhole made, we can test it with a button. Mark your button placement at the center of the buttonhole. Sew on your button. It fits your button perfectly. If you want to make a drawstring hole using this foot, here's how. Choose the size of your drawstring first. Interface the back of your fabric. Measure the width of your ribbon. Find a button or a coin with the same width. Mark the placement of your two openings on your fabric and mark the bottom of the openings. Be sure to use an erasable marker because this is the right side of the fabric. Follow the same sewing directions like you did for the buttonhole. And you have finished openings for your drawstring or ribbon.